ever wanted your own AI avatar that not only talks, but moves like a real person? In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a lifelike digital character that speaks, blinks, and reacts in real time using powerful AI tools. And the best part? It's completely free. Whether you're a content creator, developer, or just curious about the future of virtual humans, you're in the right place. Let's bring your avatar to life without spending a dime. First things first, we need a high-quality image of your AI avatar. For this, we'll use Leonardo.ai, a powerful free image generation tool. Just sign up for an account, and you'll get access to stunning AI-generated visuals. But here's a pro tip. Don't stress over what to type into the prompt box. You can use Chatgpt, just like this one, to help you generate detailed and creative prompts. For example, ask Chatgpt something like, "Give me a prompt to generate a futuristic female avatar with expressive eyes and a friendly smile in anime style," and boom. Before you hit generate, you can tweak. Number of images, try 2 to 4 to start. Image dimensions, square like 512 by 512, or portrait for video use, like 768 by 1024. Guidance scale, how strictly the AI follows your prompt. Try a value between 5 to 10. You can leave the rest at default for now. Hit generate, and wait a few seconds. Leonardo will create your images within seconds. Once they're ready, review the results. Pick the one you like best, click download to save it as a PNG or JPEG. If you're not satisfied, tweak your prompt and try again. Now that you've created your avatar image using Leonardo.ai, it's time to bring it to life, make it talk, blink, and move. For that, we'll use Hailuo.ai, a free and user-friendly AI animation tool. Go to hailuo.ai, no complex signups required, you can start using it right away, completely free. However, signing up may let you download higher resolution videos or access saved projects. Best results come from forward-facing images with a clear face, neutral background, and good lighting. Upload your avatar image, click the create a video. Now we will remove the watermark from the video. For this, you will search on Google for video, background remover, and then you will upload your generated video here and mark the place where the watermark is, and within seconds, it will remove watermark. Now click on the save button to save the video, and here's the final result. You can also add voiceovers. For this, watch the video mentioned in the card for a tutorial of speccing AI avatar for free with voiceover. And just like that, you've created your very own talking, moving AI avatar for free. Whether you're building content, exploring AI tech, or just having fun, the possibilities are endless. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to rsh.ai for more easy AI tutorials, tools, and tips to grow your digital presence. Got questions or want a part 2? Drop a comment below and I'll see you in the next video.